It's raining in the park when meantime sound of the river is stopping to hold everything. A band is blowing Dixie, double for time. You feel alright when you hear the music ring. And now you step inside, but you don't see too many faces coming in out of the rain to hear the jazz go down. Competition in other places, but the horns, they blowing that sound. Way on down south, way on down south, London time. Check out Guitar George, he knows all the chords, but it's regular rhythm, he doesn't wanna make it cry or sing. They said an old guitar is all he can afford when he gets up under the lights to play his thing. Doesn't mind if he doesn't make the scene. He's got a daytime job, he's doing alright. He can play the honky-tonk like anything, saving it up Friday night with the Sultans, with the Sultans of Swing. And the crowdy young boys, they're fooling around in the corner, drunk and dressed their best brown baggies in the platform soul. They don't give a damn about any trumpet playing band. It ain't what they call rock and roll. In the Sultans, they play Quill. Up to the microphone, say the last is just a time bell ring. Good night, now it's time to go home and make it fast with one more thing. We're the Sultans, we are the Sultans of Swing. Swing.